a few tools arrived the other day, one or two. When I was going through Banggood's catalogue the other day, I spotted these pipe clamps and saw the price. I thought, I must find out what they're like. The original clamps I bought are Pony Jorgensen or something. They're American brand. My brother smuggled them across the border from the States for me. I mean, I think he brought me back 6 of them. Must have cost me a fortune in baggage weight. Anyway, nonetheless, these Banggood ones are pretty much a direct copy of them. And you guys know that I swear by pipe clamps. I think they're probably the best clamp on the market for woodworking for different reasons. Off the bat, these two are pretty much identical, really. Pretty much the same colour. I mean, these are probably over 6 years old or something, the Pony ones. Interestingly though, back in my day when I was a lot younger, pony, the word pony used to mean shit. So I thought this was rather amusing, especially what happens a bit later on in this video. There's really very little in them. I mean, the handle on the pony is slightly bigger. The Chinesian ones have a little split pin in there, holding them in, which I didn't ever see on the pony ones. Outside of that, they're a little bit rough, but for me, this is the biggest USP for pipe clamps. That's loaded with glue. I mean, an F-clamp, parallel clamp isn't going to slide up and down the rail with that much glue on there at all. So same 3/4 inch pipe. I think this pipe they used to use in schools and stuff for supplying gas or hot water. It's a very old school method, but I think that's where this pipe came from. It can be bought really, really cheap. I'll try and find you a link to where I get my pipe from. But the nice thing about the pipe is obviously you can just get like 3 meters, whatever you like, cut it down to size and cut loads of different lengths you like, stick a thread on it, and you can just have 6 heads if you like, which is what I've done for at least 5 years. And you just swap the heads, the clamping mechanism to the length of pipe you need, which is great. However, I did find a fault. As soon as I put it down, I could see it wasn't as stable as the pony ones. Those silver-looking thingamajiggy, whatever they're called, they were a little bit too long, and they're lifting the clamp slightly off the deck. As you can see, the pony ones are like a millimetre above the deck, which isn't the end of the world, I don't think. I mean, especially considering what the cost of these Chinese ones are. However, I did notice this on the ponies. They don't like to be at 90 degrees, do they? That's not good. So that for me makes up with what's going to happen next. That kind of puts me equal, but the prices are very different. I'm not a big fan of working with metal, especially grinding it with a power grind like this. That metallic taste that is left in your mouth, it tastes like ragweed. I wonder, do women prefer woodworkers or metal workers? And thank God I've got a filter on that lens. That's a train smash, but there you go. Problem solved. I wouldn't hesitate buying more of these, especially for the price. And when I recently just looked, £12, 12 quid. I shit you not. I'm not joking. That's really cheap. Plus the pipe, which is also cheap.